When I first started my fashion journey, I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't go to fashion school. I just had a dream. And along the way, I made many mistakes that no one told me about, no one prepared me for. In this video, I'm going to share with you the real truth I wish I knew before becoming a fashion designer. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Faiza. I teach aspiring designers like you the necessary skills they need, most especially if you do not go to fashion school, and as well show you how to start to build and grow your fashion brand from scratch while showing my journey of building my clothing brand. Isa Clothing. When I first started, I thought I would be successful in few months. I never envisioned that it would take time, but in reality, fashion design takes time. It takes learning to sew, to sketch, to draft and build your style. You don't have to rush the process. Every stitches and every failure teaches you something. One of my biggest fear is not going to a fashion school. But in reality, I realized that fashion design is more about creativity and not really about the school itself, if that makes sense. Creativity isn't limited to a classroom. You can learn online, learn how to sort the basics of fashion designing, the business side of fashion. You can easily get these things online. And this is why this channel is here for you. If you want to know exactly how to become a fashion designer from scratch, watch this video next. You can learn online, you can experiment and get better at everything. Now let me tell you, what matters most is your consistency and your willingness to learn. You heard me right. Now I went in depth to explain the 6 skills you need before you can be called a fashion designer. Watch this video if you want to get the full gist on that. Being a fashion designer is more than just learning how to sew. You've got to understand some basics like the marketing aspect, the branding, the pricing, and the likes, design concept, customer psychology. This is why understanding the business side of fashion is very important. This channel will help you with all of that, and as well showing you my real life experience building my clothing brand from scratch and on my journey of becoming a fashion designer. All these things is needed so you don't limit yourself, but instead explore the full picture of what it takes to bring your designs to life. You're going to want to stick around and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever I share a new post like this. I'm building a whole series to help you become the fashion designer you want to and as well build a clothing brand out of it. I failed many times. I had bad design, wasted fabric, wasted money, and even collection that didn't sell. But those experiences taught me more than my successes. Every designer you admire today, you see today, also started from somewhere kind of, messy, tiring, stressful, and rough too. I don't want you to forget that. The best part of being a fashion designer isn't the fame or money. It is seeing something you imagined come to life. That feeling never gets old. If you're dreaming of becoming a fashion designer, start today. Start now. Even if it is messy, even if you are scared, please just start. You will thank yourself later. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. I share weekly videos to help you start, build, and grow as a fashion designer.